Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have the Wind Turbine Design Challenge for you to try out today. All you'll need are recycled materials, some scissors, tape, and a fan to test. Now your job is to create different kinds of blades using your recycled materials to test out on the fan. And it could have a different amount of blades, or they could look different. The choice is yours. Design them however you want them to look. Then create a stand that you could put those blades on to try in front of a fan. What makes them move? What is different about each of your designs that makes one work better than the other? You'll have to compare and contrast and do your best to figure out what works the best. So make sure when you're testing that you're testing the blades at the same distance and the same location on the fan so that the test is pretty comparable between the two. Okay, and like I said, you can use different amounts of blades, so different number of each blade, different shapes. You could use different materials even. The options are endless and they are up to you to come up with. If one doesn't work, that's okay. Try again. Use something different and see what works and what doesn't. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.